started in 2 tries. Oh, it hasn't been started for months. See, the clutch doesn't work. I think I got to tow this to the workshop. I can't engage it in the gears. This video marks the beginning of a very interesting journey for my E36. Not only that I'll be performing a clutch and flywheel replacement, I will also might as well open up the engine and install a 3.0 stroker that I've gotten since about last year. There is no secret that my car has been involved in an accident in MIMC. Since the engine and gearbox will be out, I thought why not might as well strip the interior to repair the chassis once and for all. I know this is going to be a big leap, so wish me luck and follow me if you like to get more updates for my E36.